Just taking a quick look at Ethereum then, looking absolutely ridiculous, as it has been for the past few weeks. Look at this crazy, just up-only price action that we're seeing right now. This is literally so ridiculous, this price action. There's basically no pullbacks whatsoever ever since we came back down and retested. Basically what happened was, we came up into our 618 Fibonacci, a massive pivot point at around 2.5k. The sell-off back down to 2.1-ish k, 2.2k really. A lovely back test of our 100 daily moving average, a big place where you do want to see your cryptos back testing and continuing. Really ever since we got back above this, when we were down here around 1.5k here, we were chopping sideways for a while. We got stuck under our 100 moving average for a little bit here, but then we obviously came back up. A lovely little break all the way up through these Fibonacci's. We back test, and then since that back test, it's just been absolutely up only. I think Bitcoin leading the way has really helped Ethereum as well, with just its consistent, continuous uptrend that it's been in. Obviously, a lot of people are calling for a pullback, and I can definitely see why. We are extremely overbought right now, but we are just looking very strong in terms of demand as well. Obviously, Bitcoin ETFs have absolutely skyrocketed the demand for Bitcoin by the looks of things. It's been very parabolic for Bitcoin in the recent weeks, and obviously Ethereum has just been emulating that price action pretty much to a T. You can see on the hourly time frame, it really just has been up only price action right now, ripping through all our Fibonacci levels and really every single resistance that there was for Ethereum to be breaking through. You can see we have cleanly got above that 618 pivot Fibonacci resistance now, and we're sitting just above our 078 Fibonacci at 3.4k. You can see there's one last resistance here really at around the price we're at now, around 3.5k. Really, if we get above this area here, we're probably just going to be looking at, you know, maybe a little bit of cooling off, back testing and continuation, because we are looking extremely parabolic. But as I always say, in crypto you can just sustain these crazy parabolic moves for weeks and weeks and weeks, because demand just becomes absolutely insane. And I mean, look at all this open space here. There was just no resistance up to that 5k area where the previous all-time high is. So it's very nervous, I would say. It's sketchy times right now. Bitcoin's 4k away from its all-time high. It's very close in terms of Bitcoin's price. And Ethereum right now really just looking like it's kind of chopping in and around its final resistance before continuation up to the all-time highs, which is the final resistance after this one, before, you know, price discovery, new all-time highs, etc. for Ethereum. But right now, you know, it's looking very extended, isn't it? It looks like it could have a retrace like this. If we do see a retrace for Bitcoin, obviously Ethereum will follow. But right now, with altcoin season looking absolutely fire as well, if Ethereum is going sideways, your altcoin bags are going to start popping off, aren't they? But really, I am a little bit skeptical about more continued upwards price action just because of how long we've been going on now. But for now, we'll have to wait and see, I guess. The halving is really soon, and you know what happens then. Let's see what we can do.